Welcome to our top 6 must-have tools for home renovation, woodworking, and DIY projects. In this video, we will review some of the most powerful and innovative tools designed to make your DIY projects easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. Laser Level. We begin with the Laser Level, a must-have tool for any serious home renovator or DIY enthusiast. The Hilda Laser Level features a 12-line 3D laser projection, capable of covering both horizontal and vertical spaces. It ensures perfect accuracy for leveling, making it ideal for hanging pictures, setting tiles, or constructing walls. This powerful tool offers a 360-degree laser that provides clear and precise measurements across large areas. What makes this laser level even more attractive is its self-leveling feature, which helps you avoid the hassle of manual calibration. Additionally, it includes outdoor mode and tilt functions for use in different environments, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects. With its Class 2 laser class, it offers safety while providing sharp, visible green lines. It's portable, durable, and designed to meet the needs of anyone looking for a reliable leveling tool for their projects. Number 5. Door Mortise Jig. Next, we have the Door Mortise Jig, a specialized tool for woodworking professionals and DIY enthusiasts who work on doors and locks. This door mortise jig allows you to fit door locks and install mortises with precision, ensuring clean and accurate cuts every time. It comes in 2 options, one with 3 straight-bit tungsten steel cutters and another with 6, to suit different projects and preferences. This jig is essential for anyone involved in woodworking and cabinet making, as it helps speed up the mortise lock installation process. The jig is designed to securely hold door pieces in place, allowing you to achieve a perfect mortise every time. With its easy-to-use design and adjustable features, it's a fantastic tool to add to your collection for a professional finish on all your woodworking tasks. Number 4. Circular Electric Saw. At number 4, we have the Circular Electric Saw. This 20V saw is equipped with 2 165mm blades, perfect for cutting through various types of wood, from softwoods to hardwoods. With a robust and durable steel cutting blade, this saw ensures efficient cutting for all your woodworking tasks. Its lightweight and portable design make it easy to transport, so you can take it with you to any DIY project location. The saw also features an impressive 45 to 90-degree bevel capability. Number 3. Contour Gauge. Let's talk about the contour gauge, a tool that is often overlooked but incredibly useful for carpenters and tilers. This contour gauge is designed to replicate the contours of any surface, allowing you to create accurate templates for cutting tiles, laminate, and wood. It's ideal for marking irregular shapes, like corners or curves, which are common in DIY projects. Number 2. Airless Paint Spray Guide. Next on the list is the Airless Paint Spray Guide, an essential tool for anyone who frequently uses a paint sprayer for large-scale projects. This HYVSD Airless Paint Spray Guide helps you achieve greater precision when spraying edges and trim. It comes with a W517 tip nozzle that enhances the performance of most airless paint sprayers, giving you better control and a smoother finish. This tool is ideal for DIYers and professionals alike, simplifying the painting process by allowing you to quickly and easily spray hard-to-reach areas. It's designed for versatility, as it fits most 7/8" spray guns, and it's built to withstand frequent use, ensuring long-lasting durability. If you're looking to take your painting projects to the next level, the Airless Paint Spray Guide is a tool you'll want in your arsenal. Number 1. Airless Paint Sprayer. Finally, at number 1, we have the Airless Paint Sprayer, a powerful tool designed for large-scale painting projects. The Funka 39395 Airless Paint Sprayer is a high-pressure electric sprayer that delivers professional-grade results. With a 2.2 L cup capacity and a 3,000 psi pressure rating, this sprayer is perfect for covering large surfaces quickly and evenly. The Airless Paint Sprayer is ideal for a variety of applications, including home renovations, painting construction sites, and even spraying oil-based paints, stains, and coatings. Its high power and efficient performance make it a great choice for contractors or DIY enthusiasts tackling big projects. The sprayer includes essential components like a high-pressure hose, sprayer gun, and extendable pole, ensuring you have everything you need for a flawless finish. With its steel surface structure and durable construction, This airless sprayer is built to last, making it a fantastic investment for anyone serious about painting. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.